English to Norwegian. What is, equals.
Hva er.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Ready to learn with a smile? Let's spark your curiosity right now. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today your magic key is the English-Norwegian question, what is, which equals.
Hva er.
Think of it as a mini Swiss Army question that opens definitions. Warm up by whispering.
Hva er.
Like a curious detective on a snack break. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask crystal clear questions without awkward pauses. Goal. Use.
Hva er.
To ask about names, objects, time, plans, and more. Form.
Hva.
What, plus.
Er.
Is, plus thing. Example.
Hva er dette?
Equals what is this? Pro tip. For people, prefer.
Hvem er.
Who is, not.
Hva er du?
Rhythm. 2 gentle beats.
Hva er. Hva er.
Keep it short and rising. Pronunciation and rhythm. Say it with style, you've got this. Repeat after me.
Hva er.
Now with examples.
Hva er dette? Hva er navnet ditt? Hva er klokka?
Nice, curiosity looks good on you. Mini dialogue at the market. Act this out, yes, talk to your headphones. A. Excuse me.
Hva er dette?
B. It's a phone stand. A. Nice.
Hva er prisen?
B. 50 kroner. Narrator. You just used.
Hva er.
Twice like a pro. Speed drill. Quick call and response. Say the Norwegian line out loud. Q. What is this? U.
Hva er dette?
Q. What is your name? U.
Hva er navnet ditt?
Q. What is the time? U.
Hva er klokka?
Q. What is the plan? U.
Hva er planen?
Q. What is the password? U.
Hva er passordet?
Culture tip. Let Norway help your memory. On kids' science shows, hosts often start with
Hva er.
Before explaining, picture a glowing question mark floating above a gadget asking.
Hva er dette?
Boom, memory activated. Also compare.
Hva er.
What is, versus.
Hvor er.
Where is, and.
Hvem er.
Who is. Quiz time. Answer out loud, your houseplants won't judge. Multiple choice. Which one means, what is, in Norwegian?
Hva er. Hvor er.
Or.
Hvem er.
Correct.
Hva er.
True or false.
Hva er.
Means, who is. False. Fill the blank. What is this? Underscore 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 debt? Answer.
Hva er.
Translate. What is the time? Answer.
Hva er klokka?
Memory trick challenge. Lock it in with movement and a smile. Point at something, raise your eyebrows, and ask with a rising tone.
Hva er.
Do it 3 times with different objects around you.
Hva er dette? Hva er det? Hva er navnet?
Wrap up. You did great today. Thanks for listening. Keep asking the world.
Hva er.
And watch answers appear. For more lessons, drills, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Practice daily, and we'll meet again soon.